Welcome to Italy, a land of pasta, passion, and powerful history. Located in southern Europe, Italy stretches into the Mediterranean Sea like a stylish boot. It shares borders with France, Switzerland, Austria, and Slovenia. The country includes the islands of Sicily and Sardinia. Italy's capital is Rome, one of the world's oldest and most fascinating cities. The population is around 59 million. The official language is Italian, and the currency is the euro. Italy is a parliamentary republic with a president as head of state and a prime minister leading the government. The current president is Sergio Mattarella. Italy has a strong economy built on tourism, fashion, food, automotive manufacturing, and design. It's a founding member of both the European Union and the G7. Italy's geography is incredibly diverse. From the towering Alps in the north to the sunny beaches in the south, the country offers every kind of landscape. The Apennine Mountains run down its spine, and famous rivers like the Po and Tiber cut through fertile valleys. Italy is also home to active volcanoes like Vesuvius and Etna. National parks and UNESCO World Heritage Sites can be found throughout the country. Italian culture is legendary. With roots in the Roman Empire and the Renaissance, Italy has shaped Western art, music, architecture, and philosophy. The country is predominantly Roman Catholic. Major festivals include Venice Carnival and Easter celebrations. Italians are known for expressive gestures, warm hospitality, and strong family bonds. Fun fact: Italy has more UNESCO World Heritage Sites than any other country in the world. When it comes to food, Italy is a global icon. From pizza in Naples to pasta in Bologna, Italian cuisine is all about fresh ingredients and bold flavors. Gelato, espresso, risotto, lasagna, the list goes on. Meals are social experiences often enjoyed slowly, with multiple courses and plenty of conversation. Sports are a huge part of Italian life. Football is king, with legendary clubs like Juventus, AC Milan, and Inter Milan. Italy has won the FIFA World Cup 4 times. Other beloved sports include cycling, motorsports, and fencing. Calcio storico, a traditional and very physical game, is still played in Florence today. Tourists flock to Italy for good reason. Rome offers ancient wonders like the Colosseum and Vatican City. Venice is a floating maze of canals. Florence dazzles with art, and the Amalfi Coast offers breathtaking views. Whether you love food, fashion, art, or adventure, Italy will steal your heart. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundles on Etsy with code DOODLE10.